was expected. There's something mess that gonna happen, and that happened. So we got to know an hour before that 3 of our tickets got cancelled, and we were running on the roads. So it's like we booked 3 tickets in one bus and 3 in another. So to get from my home to bus stop, we were just so tired. We fucked up really badly. We're still not able to figure it out where actually our bus stop is. So we were just standing on the road. So much stressed, and also we're done. There's nothing. Guys, how do you feel?
Please, I booked everything.
क्या तुम वो हिंदी में बता सकती हो? क्या बोलना चाह रही हो?
हिंदी हमको नहीं आती, हमको गुजराती आती बहन।
गुजराती में बताओ.
Genius. So here she is trying to search in internet that how we gonna beg bus conductor in Tamil that he should allow us to.
Everything, she booked all the tickets, stays, travel, everything she booked. She convinced me to come also. No, what you say? You do have. Hey, छोड़ You need him bold.
Wearing black, all black.
Hey, पोदाम पदवे आवतला.
Now we have to cross that bridge. I don't know how we're gonna do that. It's that side with this much luggage.
So after begging him and paying him 3x extra, we got into bus. But we didn't got any seats. We just got 2 seats, and also one of our seat got cancelled. So just in 2 seats, 6 people. Yeah, so you got me right. It was an horrible night. So she's our genius too. She's already trying to search return bus so that we should not be sitting same the way we were sitting.
To ask one question, and that is, who do you hate the most in this trip?
Mahalakshmi bus travels.
So this was the bus that got
That
cancelled.
stupid guy. What did he do? He cancelled our tickets last minute. Now we are sitting like this, and
They're
like
sitting
that,
like that.
and this is not even our seat.
This is
We're
someone
just
else.
sitting till the person actually arrives, and we're eating borgulu.
Where is the burger?
It's like a family picnic, guys.
Okay, guys. So I have one question. Tell me, what is your favorite snack?
Right now, Borgulu.
Can you please show the burgulu here?
Please dry fruits.
Please don't.
Meghna, can you just go a little there? I want to show someone else. Usually I'm really excited for all these trips, and also I feel like I'm little nervous and all, but when it comes to this trip I never felt like we are going, because it was like we're cancelling it all the time, and these guys are screaming. I just cannot speak anything. When it's actually happening, I'm thinking like I'm still feeling like it's the dream. And so तो तू नहीं देखने वाली है ये व्लॉग, क्योंकि तूने ही बोला है अभी कि सबसे बड़ा घटिया व्लॉग होने वाला है. तो लेट्स सी, अगर तूने देखा ना तो यू आर डेड. Anyone and here and I
G-Wagon लेती है. देखो G-Wagon.
और मेरे को इतने पैसे भी नहीं कमाने गाइस.
नमको कर रहा है. हेलो गाइस, आज हमारे घर में कड़ी पकौड़ी और चावल बने हैं. पीयूष कहाँ है? और
गाइस ये मेरा मजाक बना रही है.
गाइस
ये मेरा मजाक बना रही है.
हम जा रहे हैं सब्जी लेने. अब कोई से भी कोई नहीं.
Okay guys, okay, so when I came, I have one question, and this question is just not the question, because I mean like its answer is just I want to know what you guys feel. So like whenever you're traveling, you guys feel like excited, maybe nervous kind of thing, but when it comes to this trip, what did you feel? Like if it comes to me, hey guys, మేము తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నాము. నేను ఎందుకు think the way they are trolling me, I feel I'm gonna forget all of my friends.
Guys, trust me, friends gonna destroy friends sometimes. So I'm just asking the same question another time, and they're just not minding
Your
me.
future husband's gonna see this, so please.
Someone's future
Please.
husband's gonna see this. First
సరే నేను తెలుగులోనే అడుగుతా. ప్రతి ఒక్క ట్రిప్కి మనం చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్ ఉంటాం, అండ్ ఆల్సో మనం ఒక నర్వస్ ఉంటాము, కానీ ఈ ట్రిప్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు
దమ్ముంటే పెట్టుకో.
Yeah, to know whether she actually answered my question, you have to watch the ending.
నర్వస్ ఉంటాం కానీ ఈ ట్రిప్కి వచ్చేసి నాకు ఏం ఫీల్ అవ్వలేదు ఎందుకంటే నేను ఇంకా నా ఇమాజినేషన్లోనే ఉన్నాను దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ యాక్చువల్లీ హ్యాపెనింగ్ అండ్ సో డూ యూ రియలీ థింక్ ఇట్స్ actually happening or it's just a dream that
This is not a dream. This is definitely not dreaming. If I was dreaming, my dream wouldn't look like this, especially so many people in a single seat. So no, it's not a dream. It's
what else, what do you want to say that
starting when we got to know that our tickets got cancelled. So literally we thought that we're gonna beg him.
conductor wow Meghna is looking really pretty and Indu is looking really shit because she's just not involving anywhere. The proof that Meghna is laughing.
Yeah. Because
And
of this
she's-
girl. Because of this girl.
ఈ నేమ్ అనుకున్నా అంటే
Fuck you guys. People are sleeping there.
ఇందు సీరియస్
Serious. आपकी बाप की गाड़ी नहीं है.
Wow.
ఇందు ఓకే హ్యాంగ్ అయ్యి దీపికా గోగరే వాళ్ళు బయట పంపిస్తారు पंडित जी तो वो ले नहीं जाते हैं हाँ ठीक है सॉरी मैंने
Chuy sorry.
ओके
Guys, I don't know that. I think that maybe we are not gonna reach on time. So yeah, obviously as usual, we are screwed. It's already 4 and we are still here, and we have to reach Ooty by. These guys are there. She's literally begging her to buy me something. I mean, buy her something. It's early morning and 3, and these guys are
40 45
she's just so confused.
20
In Tamil Nadu, this girl is talking Kannada guys.
The day Indu spends a single money on anything, I'll marry.
Already 4 in the morning. Do you really think we're gonna reach on time?
No guys. There's just 3 hours left and 200 plus kilometers to cover, so I don't think the math ain't mathing.
So it's morning with 6 people in 2 seats, and we missed our toy train, and we went for breakfast with our swollen faces, and the night that we never thought that we're gonna have, and don't know what next ahead.
Our first breakfast in Ooty.
Hi guys. We're trying puttu for the first time, guys. It looks delicious, but we're waiting for the photo, so.
And also there was some weird water that we had. And
Nepal.
there, the another thing that happened was I also lost my bag, and I don't
It's
know
nice,
how,
no?
somehow I just. And we were finally in a cab, and I can't believe that we were actually on our first trip.
अब हम जा रहे हैं ताज. आज हमारा स्टे है ताज होटल.
We'll see the Taj Hotel in 5
कितना है?
minutes.
40,000 है.
I guess. How would you know, Indu? You didn't pay for anything. Yeah, to dida ko na je banne.
So after the struggle night, we're gonna
Big
stay
ass.
in the Taj Hotel. So here you go. This is how our Taj Hotel look like. So we just headed to see our first spot, which we are also not aware of. So yeah, it was raining there, and the weather was just so good, and the roads and the place was also so pretty. These are these girls.
Wow, katra mast.
I mean, look at the view here. So here these girls are just running to take pictures. I mean, the view was really good. So of course, so all the apsaras are coming down. I mean, look at these girls, because they are really gorgeous. I adore all of my friends because they are pretty. Yep. Yes, pretty by looks, but not pretty by words. You
Can't jaye, but fashion na jaye. Okay.
Guys, मेरे को घोड़े पे बैठना है.
Guys. See, the guys, जो भी ये vlog देखने वाला है, वो कोई नहीं है हम लोगों के अलावा.
हाँ, we'll only see this.
So yeah, later.
Okay.
I really don't care who watches me.
I want you to add every clip because
I'm gonna do that.
अब दिव्या हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
हम लोग जा रहे हैं पहाड़ों. हम लोगों ने अभी पहाड़ों वाली मैगी खाई है. तो वो खा के तुमको कैसा लगा?
मैगी तो बहुत टेस्टी थी लेकिन चाय में मजा नहीं आया.
पर तुमने तो कॉफी पी थी.
दोनों पी थी मैंने तो.
चाय एंड कॉफी बोथ.
हाँ.
काली. But why are you looking so pretty?
Because I am good.
It's not that. Why I'm looking so dark? Even if our clothes are matching. That way नहीं.
Yeah, I know.
ये नीतू उसकी मम्मी को व्यू बताते हुए. Guys, see her.
So we were heading to the second place.
सिप्पू 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 अरे मामा एक पैगला
ना गिरता है.
Guys, एक waffle के लिए इतने लोग क्यों मर रहे हैं? क्योंकि इन लोगों ने जिंदगी में कभी देखा नहीं है.
देखो कैसा होता है ये. दिखा तो सही. नहीं ना दिखा तो सही कैसा होता है waffle. ಯಪ್ಪಾ ಏ ಸುಜ್ಜುದದಿ ಗೈಸ್ ನೀನು ಒಕ್ಕಟೇ ಮಿಗಿಲ್ನ ಗೈಸ್.
I don't know who was the fool guy who said in Ooty you will not find nice food. What do you feel? Ooty is good. The best. The best. Hey, someone told me that in Ooty food is not so good. Do you guys agree with that?
I'm real not stubborn.
I mean, see, you can see these guys are making fun of me again just because I'm recording it all the time.
So we are going to
Okay. Look at Meghna. Okay. Meghna.
where is she?
Excited guys.
Very excited. Hey, horror
you are all What we gonna
We
finish
all are
this?
going because we trust Meghna so much that she's not scared of anything. She'll be on the front and protect us. Yes, Meghna? Say yes.
Yeah, I'm excited. I will not.
I will not come out alive.
Okay, let's go.
Guys,
We are going. Can you please see that house? Front camera. I don't know. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
So let's see that.
So we are scared already before even entering. We are just holding each other's hand, and you can literally see that. So Neetu is not so scared of anything like we are. So she adopted us, and
Okay. So what's we are doing now?
it seems it's literally gonna be scary.
This is who is from this? She's the one. It's happening. Exactly. Okay.
ये चश्मा निकालो कि नहीं निकालो को पहले.
I mean, shame on us. That kid went first.
You think you're brave enough to come to my door? Better go back before it's too late. Remember, I warned you.
It's all mixing languages, and Hindu just left the room because she was too scared and she just ran away. I mean, look at this. Who will not be scared seeing it?
It was all a disaster. She literally came out. She didn't saw anything.
She's
No,
just
it's not
getting
coming.
fog out of her mouth, and she's trying that
So
too.
what? Someday we're gonna get married and we'll be settled somewhere, and we will not get a chance to meet like this, roam all the streets. What do you want to say on that?
Hi, local gagal pilla. Hi, hoga mugo se katti pudiya. Machi sa koi kehde. Agi beti bacha. We will meet like this. Vizag Satya. This is Vizag Satya. You will also meet. You will find your somebody.
What about hey, do you really think I'm gonna get someone? No.
Soon you're gonna get.
She'll do the prank on local kid.
I think she only have the faith in me.
They see the anne.
Can we do some
Please
prank on
don't laugh.
Okay. I don't think so. That's a nice idea. I'll give you a date. Just go and talk to that auntie. No way. Okay guys, so we are trying to prank here. I don't know who's gonna do that. Someone is challenging someone. I'm not sure that who's gonna challenge me. What are you trying to do? Come. Camera this.
Local gagal pilla.
She's the real one. No, I'll be the one who will be giving you guys the date.
What is the date? Hey, मेरे को रिकॉर्ड करता.
Blue tab.
बापटला लक्ष्मी.
No, just start.
ए ओरो, ए तन्वी तो आगे बैठी मच जाता हूँ.
Oh, that he is Aggipetti Macha.
नहीं.
ये बात चाला करी नहीं थी.
ये वैसे सत्य.
Aggipetti Macha. The girl who always goes to toilet.
Always.
She literally showed like this. Guys, zoom in. Are going to buy us flowers or something? See?
Yes, she's searching toilet again.
I don't know why I feel like I should be buying some flowers to all of my girlies.
Yeah, but I didn't bought because that guy was not giving me. So I'm sorry, girls. And it was just so cold than we just expected. I mean, you can see us. We were literally freezing.
One God gift for everyone, okay? And that girl, she literally got nothing.
And guys, it was Krishna Janmashtami that day, and we found Krishna, so of course we had to.
Hey Krishna.
అందరిలో ఇది ఎవరు?
So but this question was whose dustbin. First they showed towards me, but then it's Hindu. They proved it. And then she said, I'm at least useful to keep dust.
The one wish you have after seeing Pooty, the next time when you come, what do you want to do?
She want to come with her all of our partners, respective partners. Hello, where are you?
And guys, they're just gonna ignore me just like they ignore their problems. So it's pointless speaking anything and questions. So yeah, and it was nice, and we made nice tea. And why is she looking like baby? Our room is a mess, but this was the last option that we had. And don't know why she is busy.
Hi guys, it's second day of our trip to Ooty. We are eating idli, which is very filling. So much. So much that I can eat it without chutney also. Even idli is my favorite. And this guy's are here. Gonna be fun. Do you really think Hindu is Koja? Yes, she is Koja.
Look at her. She looks like a. She's the only one who taught us what Koja means. There are nice houses here, guys. We are gonna buy one and stay here.
This is so cute. He's holding money.
Hindu. To seize those Baba with money, she'll pakka steal that money.
The group, the oldest auntie is
Hindu.
I'm
Not like that. Not like that.
22 years old. Even if I'm older than you, see, I don't look like that and I don't behave like you do.
Behave, not look. You behave like an auntie.
Meghna, you're 24.
Deepika had a dream of becoming a rock star. She was very interested in social. She was into history. Ganapati to physics, whatever that was, science or something.
What Hindu used to do in school?
Hindu used to sit silently.
Okay, guys, we're gonna say
It was like chiller. She used to get angry for every little thing. If someone brought a jalebi which is straight, not round, she used to get angry.
No, I still remember.
She didn't talk to me for 2 months for I don't even know what reason. At a point, she was not talking to me, but I don't know what the reason is. I used to say sorry to this chiller.
what Meghna used to do in school.
Meghna used to
She
sit
used to do
behind
this
me
puff
and that little puff she used to do.
And now look at her. Now look at
She
her.
was very excited to not wear chunni.
She's like, I said for 40 rupees and for that purpose she didn't talk to me.
Chiller run. Jarur khudja
That
laga
is,
tinedapu.
that is for almost 6 months she didn't talk to me. And now look at her. You're screwed, bro.
We had to beg her to come to this trip. This chiller.
The way we did effort for Hindu, we might have not
And
done
at
for
the end,
anyone.
she didn't even bought any gift for us.
Gift
But
letter.
that's okay, she is the one gifted.
She's the one gift
I don't think she studied in our school. She studied in Pakka Telugu medium school because she doesn't know English. She can't
That's
read,
why
she
she's
can't
not
write, she can't
speaking
speak
anything.
also. That's why she's silent. Otherwise, she would have roasted all of us. But she's silent because she doesn't know English. Now we are all speaking English.
And also look at the view, it's just so beautiful all the time with every step. And here I just feel like wearing a sari and walking Surachuamatham. And out of all, I don't know why these guys wanted to go on a bike ride, just like these guys are going. By seeing them, we were just so jealous. And trust me, I just had the bestest Maggie I ever had, and that is in Uti, I swear. I'm not lying here.
Paikara waterfall.
पाइकारा वाटरफॉल्स पाइकारा का मतलब क्या है नीतू
पाइन से आता है हिंदू को कुछ नहीं पता वो नेक्स्ट कहाँ जाने
अब
वाली
हम
है
हम तो ये वाली लेने वाले थे लेकिन हमने
हिंदू
सोचा
को अपनी औकात याद आ गई
ये लोग कौन है ये लोग कौन है ये कौन है ये वाओ साउथ अफ्रीकन इटालियन है वेरी क्वीन एलिजाबेथ
जल्दी लड़िए
उतर के सीधा यहीं पे आई है मैं हूँ इंडियन ये है कोरियन
राजस्थानी
तुझे मेघना उकड़ला का मतलब पता है उकड़ला
उगलना में हिंदू रोज थोड़े बार भोगने जाते
ये मेरी डोली जा रही है, मेरी शादी हो रही है.
गोली रोड आती
राम राम
दिव्या की अट्टी में दिव्या चलते हुए जा रही है
And that's just so sad to hear that. I mean, I don't know that these guys are talking like this behind me.
हाय गाइस ये मेरी अट्टी है ये मैं हूँ मेरे मरने के बाद मेरा इंस्टा पेज जिंदा रहेगा
पासवर्ड सबको दे देगी वो है
What the hell, guys? I'm gonna remember this for sure.
10 किलोमीटर तो चल के आ गए हैं ऑलरेडी अभी हमें 5 किलोमीटर
I walk every day 10,000 steps
Guys, we are not forest and these guys are drinking delicious the soup with these guys and with this view. Wow. Hi guys, we are going to the speedboat and look how we are looking because there's so much rush and also it's raining. We don't have umbrella, so we are covering it with this.
So we went into a speedboat, and that experience was really good. And when it was raining, it's a must try. It was just so cold. We went to tea factory.
actually what we drink every day is made
It's a
it's made with leaves
go for this.
whatever shit you drink it came 5,000 years ago
Do you wonder?
the emperor being a scientist was interested in the new liquid and drank some of it he found it very refreshing tea as we know today was discovered at that moment cha is the Chinese word for tea famous for cha Lu Yu author of cha chi
Blow air through the leaves, whereby 30% of moisture is removed.
इतने दिनों से हेल्दी चीज की
The only healthy drink we drink. So excited to drink free chai. They are
So
also
this is how the chai is made. And that is not the shit. Neetu, you have to hear this. It's the emotion which we have. And we just love that. And we actually live for that. So we took the challenge and we headed out for the walk. And that was just so cold, it was just unbearable.
I don't know whoever said that Ooty would be really nice in this climate, but we are really screwed. Like we're literally wearing three sweaters, and still we are not able to bear this cold. How we are freezing, God.
And this was the best moment that I had in this trip at the end of the day with roaming a lot. We actually planned to get gifts for everyone and they also got for everyone. And also we thought we're gonna give a note to each and everyone, but sadly we were just so stuck with work we couldn't make it. But me too got it for everyone and we were just crying and leaning on each other. So in last day of trip, Neetu just left and
Bye, Neetu. We gonna miss you. Indu, to say something on Indu, Neetu.
नीतू we miss you, really miss you नीतू अरे माँ तो कौन मजाक करे कौन फाइट करी वो करने को मन कोई सुनता नहीं
and here she just telling to with whom I'm gonna fight if you're leaving and who gonna give me pets if I want a picture. So we took toy train finally and I'm just gonna miss this trip. I know we fought and I know we cried on each other. I know that we did messed up with so many things, but this was something that I wanted it, and I'm gonna love you guys even if I don't say it with the words, but yes. And also, I forgot the thing that we went to a cafe, and that was just so beautiful. Whatever I was showing it, it was that. And in Ooty, if you are going, I think you should must go to this place. It's nice. So this trip comes to an end, even though we were all busy and had so much going on. Making to this trip was dream come true. Those 3 days were filled with laughter, adventure, late night talks, and moments that we will stay in our heart forever. Every little memory we created together made the trip so special, and I truly wish everyone could experience something this magical. I'm going to miss you all so much and I hope we get to create many more memories like this in future. And yeah, so go get your trip with your friends or you're gonna miss out. So yeah, thanks for watching.